Hey, this is Eric Hunter here, and this is about pendulum dowsing mistakes. If you want worse pendulum readings, do this. All right, the very first one, which I see people doing all the time, is holding the pendulum still before you start. That is absolutely a terrible practice. You can think about it this way. Let's say someone wanted you to answer questions for them, and then they put duct tape over your mouth. You wouldn't be able to answer the questions, right? Well, the only way you're going to see an answer with a pendulum is if the pendulum moves. So if you hold the pendulum still, you are inhibiting movement and it's going to make your results worse. Keep the pendulum, get the pendulum moving and keep it moving the whole time during your session. Do not hold it still because that is antithetical to getting an answer from your pendulum. Number two, don't ask stupid questions like, what's the color of my hair, or what's my name, or do I, in my case, like, do I wear glasses? These kinds of questions are inevitably going to cause you to fail with pendulum dowsing. The reason why is it indicates that you have self-doubt about the process, you don't trust it. And so when you ask these kinds of obvious questions, your subconscious mind is like, this is just freaking stupid. And it just throws out random answers. And then you're like, oh, wow, it's not working. I'm getting all these weird answers. Like, it says I have pink hair and that I don't wear glasses and that I'm really from Mars or something. And demons are controlling my pendulum. It leads to all kinds of really stupid stuff. So just skip that entirely. Don't ask those silly questions. All right, finally, a big mistake that a lot of people make is don't try to do psychic readings or predict the future with your pendulum. Unless you are a psychic already, or you have the ability to do remote viewing or some kind of extra sensory perception, the pendulum is not going to give you the ability to do what you can't already do. So what you want to do instead is you want to ask questions that are good questions that are relevant to your life and that are things that you could possibly sense or intuit to know the answer to. Like, that's where the pendulum really shines. All right, well, hopefully this was useful. Just to recap, keep the pendulum moving, ask meaningful questions, and ask questions that you can sense or intuit to know the answer to. And thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.